Hi, second grade friends. Mrs. Armstrong here with you, and I want to talk to you guys about nonfiction books again today. Let's review a few facts about nonfiction books. Number one, nonfiction books are books that we read because they give us facts and information. When we read a nonfiction book, we're learning something new. Nonfiction books are organized in our library by topic. So all of the dog books are going to be together. All the books about airplanes are going to be together. They're organized by their topic. Each topic has a number so that all the dogs will have the number 636. We do that so that when we organize the nonfiction books, we can put the books in number order. Makes it quicker and easier to put things that are alike on the shelves together. Makes it quicker and easier for you guys to find the information you're looking for. Today I want to talk to you guys specifically about the 500 numbers and the 600 numbers. 500 numbers are books about science. And science in our library includes a ton of things. Science includes everything on Earth and everything out in outer space. So in outer space, we have books about stars and we have books about the planets. On Earth, we have books about everything that lives on Earth, like all the plants and trees that live on Earth. We have books about all the animals on Earth, the animals that fly in the air, the animals that live in the ocean, the animals that live on the land. We even have books about animals that are extinct, like dinosaurs. We have so many books in the science area that are so cool. It's probably the part of the nonfiction books that our students go to most often. And if you walk over to our shelves today, you're going to see that there are more books in 500 than in any other number that we have in the library. The other number that I want to talk to you guys about is the 600s. 600 is books about technology, anything that's been invented by man. So in technology, that's where you're going to find books about airplanes and trains, because that's something that man invented. You'll also find how-to books. There's some books on the 600 shelf that talk about how our heart works or how our lungs work. So there's books about the human body. There's also books about dogs and cats. And you might think that dogs and cats are animals. And you said that 500 was science. Shouldn't the dogs and cats be in science? Well, we put dogs and cats and horses and gerbils and animals that would be a pet in the 600 because most of those books are telling you how to take care of your dog, how to take care of your cat. What kind of food do they need? How much water do they need? How much exercise do they need? How do you take care of your pet? So 600 is technology and it's how-to books. Let's take some time to walk a little bit closer to the shelves and see exactly what is in the 500s and 600 shelves at Wilson Elementary. If you want to find a 500 book today, you'll need to start at shelf number 2 and look towards the bottom of shelf number 2. In this picture, you can see the blue sticker that says 500 to 527. That's the shelf that you're going to find books about outer space. Planet books, sun, Mars, all of those books are right there on that shelf. On the shelf below, you will find books about weather, tornadoes, hurricanes. You'll also find those extinct books of dinosaurs. On shelf number 3, you're going to find more books from 500. This is the shelf that has all of the animals on it. Take a good look at this picture here. You'll see blue and white boxes, and on each blue and white box, there's a picture of some of the animals that you're going to find on that shelf. Use those blue and white boxes to help you find the books that you're looking for. On shelf number 4 at the top, you're going to find more of those awesome animal books from the 500s. But as you move closer to the bottom, you're going to start to see the 600 books. The first group of 600 books are those books about the human body, how the human body works. There's books about the human brain and the heart and our lungs and how all of those systems in our bodies work. The bottom shelf of shelf number 4 is technology. This is where all of my books about cars and trucks and airplanes and all of those cool machines that have been created by man, all of those are on the very bottom of shelf number 4. The last shelf I want to talk about today is shelf number 5. And on shelf number 5, you're going to have the end of the 600 category. As you look at this picture, you can see the blue and white boxes that have pictures of horses, dogs, and cats. This last shelf is the how-to books for our pets. How to take care of your horse or your dog or your cat. So today we looked at the books that were on shelf number 2, shelf number 3, shelf number 4, and shelf number 5. We covered a lot of shelves, but only 2 categories. 500 numbers are science. There's a ton of great science books there, and science can mean so many different awesome things. And we talked about the 600 category, which is technology and how-to books. Again, a lot of really cool inventions and a lot of really cool books to show you how to do a lot of different things. I hope you have fun exploring the 500 and the 600 books today, and I hope you find something that you like. Good luck.